Hi guys, this is another soft lock tutorial on the 24-inch soft locks. These soft locks were sent to me by a seller on Amazon. They are 24 inches. The link to this hair will be in the description, and you can use my code to receive a discount. So this video will be showing me installing these locks. This is the hair I will be using to wrap the locks. It's a spring curl, kinky texture. You will be needing your crochet stick, nail glue, edge control, combs, something to moisturize the scalp, or sheen and foam. So first you're going to part the hair. I am doing triangle parts, medium size. Use the edge control to define the parts.
You better get yourself an AJB.
When the parts are complete, the individuals moisturize your scalp. I use the Wild Growth to moisturize the scalp. Okay, let's fast forward to the front of the head. When doing these individuals, you're going to take your lock, crochet it through the root, crochet the braid through the loop, pull it and secure it. Take the lock and untwist it in the opposite motion and then begin wrapping the lock around the braid. You're basically hiding the braid, so you're untwisting the lock to get the braid to be hidden inside of the lock. Then you're going to take a piece of the kinky curly hair. You're going to crochet it through the root. Remember to twist up about 2 inches in the opposite direction, and then begin twisting the longer side in the direction of the lock. Remember, when you get past the hair, you do your knot to secure it. And then when you're finished wrapping the hair, you secure the ends with a drip of nail glue. And wrap the hair around the drip of nail glue. Now, I do have a tutorial on these soft locks on my channel already. This is just the promotion for the 24-inch soft locks. The link to these soft locks will be in the description. You can use my code to receive a discount. And the tutorial on my page is more into depth than this one is. So if this is not enough explaining, you can go to that tutorial and follow the steps on there.
You better get yourself an AJB.
And they are all finished. They're so pretty. Again, the link to this hair is in my description. 24-inch soft locks. Use my code to receive a discount. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at jan.thea_TV. See you guys later.